The world of AI video generation is evolving at lightning speed. Just when we thought we knew the leaders, a new contender has emerged, rewriting the rules and setting an unprecedented standard for visual realism and creative control. Forget everything you thought you knew about AI video. Today, we're diving deep into Hailuo 2, the revolutionary AI video generator that's not just making waves, it's creating a tsunami, leaving even established giants like Veo 3 in its wake. The rise of Hailuo 2. So, what exactly is Hailuo 2, and why is it causing such a stir? Developed by Minimax, Hailuo 2 isn't just an incremental update, it's a generational leap in AI video technology. Its core strength lies in three revolutionary pillars. First, it delivers crystal clear, native 1080p resolution. No upscaling, no compromises, pure, unadulterated high-definition video directly from your prompt. Second, and arguably its most celebrated feature, an extreme physics engine. This isn't just about objects moving, it's about simulating realistic weight, momentum, and complex interactions. Think dynamic acrobatics, flowing water, or intricate dance sequences. Hailuo 2 handles it with stunning believability. Third, and for creators, a game changer, the Director Control Toolkit. This allows you to embed specific cinematic camera instructions directly into your text prompts. Pan downs, dolly zooms, bird's eye views. You're essentially directing a virtual camera with unparalleled precision. Head-to-head, Hailuo 2 versus Veo 3. For a long time, Google's Veo 3 was considered a top contender in the AI video space. But how does Hailuo 2 truly stack up against it? Let's break it down. Segment A. Visual fidelity and prompt adherence. When it comes to pure visual fidelity and accurate prompt adherence, independent reviews and community benchmarks consistently place Hailuo 2 ahead. Users are reporting that Hailuo 2 is much better at interpreting and executing complex, detailed prompts, often on the first try. Whether it's intricate textures in an underwater coral reef scene or nuanced facial expressions in a close-up monologue, Hailuo 2 consistently delivers higher clarity and detail. Segment B. Motion and physics simulation. While both models can handle dynamic scenes, Hailuo 2's specialized physics engine gives it a significant edge. From the fluid motion of a parkour athlete to the realistic weight of a falling object, Hailuo 2 excels at rendering believable movement. Veo 3, while capable, often struggles to match the sheer realism and physical accuracy that Hailuo 2 consistently provides. Segment C. Creative control and directorial capabilities. Beyond basic text to video, the level of creative control offered to users is paramount. Hailuo 2's Director Control Toolkit is a game-changer for pre-visualization and cinematic prototyping. While Veo 3 offers a more streamlined, narrative-focused approach, Hailuo 2 empowers creators with a level of granular control that allows them to truly direct their AI-generated scenes. Part 3. Cost efficiency and accessibility. Beyond performance, the practicalities of cost and accessibility are crucial. This is another area where Hailuo 2 shines. A 6-second HD clip with Hailuo 2 can cost significantly less than with Veo 3. Furthermore, Hailuo 2 offers a highly generous free trial with regular credit bonuses, making it incredibly accessible for anyone to experiment with its capabilities without a significant upfront investment. While Veo 3 often requires higher-tiered plans for serious usage, Hailuo 2's pricing model makes professional-grade AI video generation more attainable for individual creators and smaller businesses. Part 4. Real-world applications and use cases. So, who stands to benefit most from Hailuo 2? The applications are vast and exciting. Segment A. Marketing and advertising. For marketers, Hailuo 2 means creating stunning digital advertisements and social media campaigns with unprecedented visual quality and speed. Imagine hyper-realistic product demos or engaging short-form content that captures attention instantly. Segment B. Entertainment and filmmaking. Filmmakers and VFX artists can utilize Hailuo 2 for rapid prototyping of scenes, pre-visualization, and even generating placeholder VFX shots. Its ability to handle complex physics and precise camera movements makes it an invaluable tool in the creative pipeline. Segment C. Education and explainer videos. Educators and content creators can leverage Hailuo 2 to produce visually engaging explainer videos, scientific simulations, or historical recreations that would otherwise be incredibly costly and time-consuming to produce. Part 5. Limitations and future potential. No technology is perfect, and Hailuo 2, while groundbreaking, does have a couple of considerations. Currently, Hailuo 2 primarily generates silent video clips. For projects requiring integrated audio, music, or dialogue, you'll need to use external tools for audio integration. However, the development roadmap for Hailuo 2 is incredibly promising, with anticipated updates to include features like lip syncing and integrated audio, further expanding its versatility. The speed of generation can also vary, especially on free tiers, but for the quality it delivers, many find it a worthwhile trade-off. In summary, Hailuo 2 has not just entered the AI video generation arena, it has redefined it. With its native 1080p output, unparalleled physics engine, and precise director controls, it offers a level of visual realism and creative power that, for now, truly beats the competition, including Veo 3. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey in AI content creation, Hailuo 2 offers a powerful, cost-effective, and incredibly exciting tool to bring your wildest ideas to life. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the revolution yourself. If you found this deep dive helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the cutting edge of AI technology. Let us know in the comments what amazing things you create with Hailuo 2.